got your, whatever it is, Formies, whatever, the standard solution, and you've got your other one, and to calibrate you need it filled with distilled water. You don't want to be grabbing the glass part because you don't want your fingerprints on it. Okay. You need to, on your lab quest, maybe you want to show, when you've got it plugged in, go to sensors, sensors, and then go to calibrate and turbidity. And I just follow the instructions. It says if your sample water is very clear, you might want to let it warm up for 5 minutes. Mine's been sitting here a lot longer than that. Okay, we're on our calibrate screen. I believe we just hit calibrate now. Hold on.
With our distilled water in it?
No, put the standard in first, but you want to go up and down a couple times first. Don't shake it because you'll get air bubbles, just up and down. Put your standard in, it just pushes in, and close the lid.
Do those arrows have to line up, or does that matter?
Oh, yeah, they probably should.
I just seen it white arrows.
Yeah, your arrows should probably line up.
That makes sense.
Okay.
Good call.
And I'm going to hit calibrate now. And what is the known value? It says it is 100, so we enter in 100. I'll hit keep. And then it asks for known value too, so we put in our distilled water instead. Line up your arrows. And you'll notice the live voltage changed there when you put it in. And this one should be 0.
The known values.
Yeah, known value is 0 for distilled water. And then it's calibrated. Okay. So we can hit OK. And what we do to test now, all we need to do is to dump our distilled water out, and I'm grabbing it where I shouldn't. Dump it out and put in your other sample. Put it in and find out what it is.
So theoretically, if we put this distilled water back into it, it should measure 0?
It should be 0, yeah. If you put it back in.
Okay, I'm just wiping off my fingerprints.
Okay. Yeah, it does say to wipe with a lint-free cloth or tissue.
I tried smudging mine up and I got 0.6 turbidity from it, so
That's a smudge mine up.
Okay.
Putting on like 30% moisture in.
And it
It
says
is-
it's 723 NTUs now.
it's Nepo fellow-meter turbidity units.
And I'm just going to double check the calibration. I'm going
It's
to
the
put in our
gentleman that came from
standard.
Female that came up with
That is 100.
and that's his units or her
Yeah,
units.
his are
And
her
yeah,
units.
it's
This
around
year,
100.
this year, this is
So
Nepo
then
fellow-meter.
So
this is,
four would be low turbidity?
Yes.
Okay.
and so then this
Following
coffee.
up.
The color.
Okay, so I just went and collected this water from my fish aquarium from my classroom. And so I'm putting it into the turbidity tester after it's been calibrated. Close the lid. And it seems to even out at 13.8 NTU. So that's fairly low. Yep. And the coffee, if you remember, was 730 or something.
23, 723.
Yeah, 723. So there we go.